Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to paint this baby chick. It is one of our Paint by Line products. As you can see, all the lines are etched into the product for me, so I'm just filling them in with paint. I chose to do a blue egg because we have an Americana chick that lays the prettiest blue eggs, and so I decided to paint the egg blue in honor of her. And the colors I'm using today, the light yellow is buttercream, the darker yellow is rebel yellow, and the orange of the nose is Florida orange, and the shell I painted Dixie Belle blue. Now that I've painted all my colors, I'm going to go in and start to outline. I outline with a detailed 00 brush and some slightly watered down black paint. And I'm just simply filling in the etched lines that were there. And I'm going to do this all around the entire inside of the product. All of the paint I'm painting with today is Dixie Belle paint, which can be purchased on our website, buildacross.com. This shape can be purchased on our website as well in the shape section in a category called Paint by Line. Now I'm just finishing up the last little bit of the etched lines that were on the chick. As you can see, he's got super cute little eyes that I didn't have to make on my own. They were etched in there, so I just filled in the lines and he's super cute. Now I'm using a painter's pen and I'm outlining the entire outside of the project. This just brings all the lines to completion on the inside and outside. And now I'm going to go beyond the lines. This is where I like to add accents and details that are not etched into the product. So the first color I'm using is white, and I'm using my detailed brush for this. It's kind of hard to see on the light yellow while it's still wet, but I am adding little dashes of white like I'm going to also add to the darker yellow. And this, I'm just kind of following the lines of the chick and hitting a few places with the white paint, and this is going to help brighten her up and give her a little more depth and dimension and detail. Now I'm going to also add some of the accent coloring to the egg itself to help brighten it up and give it a little more color. And I'm doing all the accenting with a 00 detailed paintbrush. I'm going to go back now and go over some of the white with black with my same 00 detailed paintbrush. And this really starts to give it depth. And really helps things start to pop. As you can see, things are all coming together and the different parts of the chick stand out and have their own character. And after I get done doing all of these little black dashes here and there, we are done. So this is how our little chick turned out. I think she's pretty cute. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and I will see you next time.